Hi there, time for the digital marketing news this week. Let's dive in. First up this week, you can drive more foot traffic to your physical store locations with the new promoted pins on maps. This is an exciting new release inside of Google Maps and definitely something to try out. Next item this week, a new report came out on social media marketing, and here's what they said. Short form video is dominating in all industries with 90% of marketers reporting positive ROI. Features like checkout, TikTok Shop, and Pinterest product pins are significantly improving the retail experience. Also, if you didn't see, in Google's new AI mode and also in ChatGPT, they just developed features where you can actually buy inside of those platforms as well. Really interesting to see a change in the shopping experience as it's becoming more native to the platform where people are spending time and running ads. Google claimed that AI search still delivers quality traffic. What we're seeing is that the AI overviews in AI mode are getting significantly more views. So more impressions are happening there. But because people are viewing this information so many times, they're not always clicking through right away. But when they do click through, we're seeing a more qualified and a higher quality visitor that's hitting the website. This high quality visitor is looking for these three things. So you should put these three things on your web pages so that you can have a higher conversion rate. Also, in general, the conversion rate is going to be higher for these users that actually click into the site. But here's three things that you can do. Create content that directly answers the user's questions. That's also going to help you show up in the AI overviews and AI in general. Also, don't forget to mark it up with schema because schema is being interpreted by AI search engines and it's now a recommendation. 2, add more video content. And 3, develop FAQ and QA sections for the pages. Side note, I've been doing that for a long time, probably since 2010, been recommending modules on pages with those exact same qualities. Google's new AI agent can modify campaigns automatically inside of Google Ads, but is that a good thing? Some experts are saying no because it could lead to worse results, but obviously Google thinks it's better. Here are the 3 things that came out at Google Marketing Live around this topic. Google Ads Agentic Expert, a tool to help create multiple ad groups with matching assets, add keywords, and implement creative suggestions, fix policy issues, submit appeals, and generate reports about the campaign. Google Analytics Data Expert, a tool to simplify data exploration, insights, and trends. Marketing Advisor Chrome extension, a browser extension that manages tasks, including automated tagging, tag installation, seasonal trend analysis, and problem diagnosis. My perspective is you need a top expert to be overseeing and working with these tools to maximize their efficiency and make sure they get the best results. But the two working together should lead to better results overall. There's been a lot of talk about Google AI overviews recently, and Google's come out and said that it has not negatively impacted ad revenue. In fact, Google's going to be expanding AI overviews and AI mode to more desktop users. So the key takeaway is AI overviews are not hurting ad performance and they're not hurting Google ad revenue. Speaking of Google AI overviews, advertisers will soon be able to view insights on how well content is performing in AI mode. John Mueller from Google recently confirmed the insights as part of an upcoming AI mode rollout. And the report is planned to be added to good old Google Search Console. So our SEO pros are going to get the level of visibility that they've been waiting for. That's going to go into a lot of Looker Studio reports pretty quick. One downside is that AI mode and AI overview metrics will be lumped together, so you won't be able to distinguish between the two at the beginning. I'm sure that will change over time, but I understand why Google did that. It's because they don't want people to know how good AI mode is doing and how badly it's doing. Discord is testing new video ad options for the first time. Branded as in-game rewards, these unskippable ads are a new way for them to monetize the platform. That's it for the digital marketing news this week. For these stories and more, make sure to check out the Ignite Visibility blog where we have links to all the sources and actually report on more stories every week. Leave me a like or a comment. I love chatting with you online. And if there's anything I can do for you, always let me know. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.